When it comes to EM's cleanup, it takes a team. And some of the most impactful team members are its federal and state regulators.
We have an incredible roster of devoted public employees that are committed to public service, as does DOE, as does EPA, and a lot of the local governments.
In Oak Ridge, the Environmental Protection Agency and Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation ensure our cleanup approaches are protecting the community.
Where the relationship, I think, has evolved is to where we can recognize our respective roles and look for common ground to advance cleanup. And I feel like that is where we have come between DOE, the state, and even EPA into finding ways to think creatively about issues that otherwise would bog things down. Now we're able to put those issues on the table, advance them in a mutually collaborative way, and build on that success.
EM and its regulators took center stage at this year's National Cleanup Workshop to share how they're working towards solutions together and what that means for major projects on the horizon.
Having that engagement with DOE, EPA, and the states has been really valuable, and I think it's helping to deliver some real meaningful results in individual sites and for the complex.
Those results are also building a foundation for more successes moving forward.
Getting to the finish line and getting a win out of something with multiple players that are involved and finding a way to do that's fun.